Struggling to juggle between multiple PCs, consoles, or devices on one desk? Meet the OREI 4x1 HDMI KVM Seamless Switch. Control up to 4 devices with one keyboard and mouse. Just press a simple hotkey like Ctrl plus Shift plus 2 to switch instantly. Work or play your way with 7 multi-viewer modes. See all 4 desktops at once or focus on just one in full screen. Enjoy true 4K at 60 Hz with minimal latency switching. Perfect for gaming, multitasking, and lossless audio up to Dolby Atmos. More devices, one seamless solution. The OREI HDMI KVM Switch makes multitasking effortless.